Okay, student. Fine. Yesterday I have told you about the flower. How you will see that it is a complete flower if sepal is there, petal, stamen and carpel or pistil. Then you can say that flower is complete flower. This four thing should be there. So hibiscus I have told you. Next day I will show you a complete flower. This is a hibiscus, this is a complete flower. Okay. So which one is the sepal? This greenish part, this one is known as, here you are seeing green part, that is known as sepal. It is a greeny leafy part. It is a greeny leafy part. Next one is petal. This one, red one, you are seeing these all are petals. Here I have drawn flower, this is the petal. Understood? Petal can be colorful and it also smell very good smelling, it also having. Some flower is having very good smell. Next one is stamen. It is a female part. Stamen is a male part of the flower. This stamen is what? It is the male part of the flower. It is a male part of the flower, and this anther you are seeing where it is anther. Upside stamen is the main part of the male part of the flower, and upside it is like this shape, that is known as anther. Clear to you all? And the yellow powder called pollen grain is present in the anther. Yellow powder called pollen grain that is present in the anther. Clear to you all, student, what you have learned here? Here you have learned that this part is known as sepal. Sepal, understood? It is a greeny leafy part. It is a greeny leafy part. Here it protects the flower birds. Flower birds, when flowers are protect the flower bird. This is a greeny leafy part. This one is the greeny leafy part. This part is known as sepals. Okay? It protects the what? Flower birds. Next one is petals. These all are petals. Here you are seeing these all are petals, and this is downer part. This is known as what? Oh, that is known as, this is a sepals. This green part. Okay, all are seeing this green part. This greeny leafy part. Here you can see this greeny leafy part is known as sepal. Downside you are seeing greeny. It is known as sepal. Okay, and it protect the flower birds. When flower is small, the flower bird you have seen protected. And these parts, these all red color you are seeing, these all are known as petals. These all are known as petals. Here I have drawn the petals of the flower. These are the petals of the flower. It is colorful and also it smells very good. Colorful and also smell very good. Next one is stamen. It is a male part of the flower. It is the male part of the flower. It consists of a long filament. It consists of a long filament. Okay, it is a male part of a flower. It consists of a long filament and solen head on the top. Long filament and solen head on the top. It is known as anther. What is this? This is a stamen. It is a male part of the flower, and it is a long, and upside it is a like it is, that is known as anther. Clear? This is sepal. You see it is separated, that is known as sepal. Okay, student, it is clear to you all? Next one is carpel. Next one is carpel. Carpel is the female part of flower. Carpel is the female part of flower. Understood? Carpel is the female part of flower. In carpel you have seen it has a sticky top called stigma. It has a sticky top called stigma. This is the stigma. Okay, it is the female part of the flower, and sticky top, that is known as stigma. Pipe-like structure, that is known as style. Pipe-like structure, it is known as style, and inside here it part is known as petal. I am separating all part. Inside you can see these all are what? Petal. Okay. And here you can see this is known as ovary, and inside the ovary small parts, that is known as ovules. Okay, ovary inside the small part, that is known as ovules, and this one is known as long part. It is known as what? Style. That's known as style. And upside you are seeing this part, that is known as what? Stigma. Understood? And here small part you are seeing, and here yellow part, that is known as anther. This yellow part is known as anther. Clear? Now what you have learned? Complete flower. In that flower what you have seen? This green color, this is known as petal. This is known as sepal. This is green color, it is known as sepal, and it protect the flower bud. This one is sepal, is protect the flower bud. And these all are known as petals. These all red color you are seeing, it is known as petal. Here I have drawn petal. It is known as petal. It is colorful and also very good in smelling. Okay, next you are seeing inside the part, here you can open this. Yes, here you are seeing this is a ovary. This is a ovary. Inside, when you will open this ovary, inside it you will see a small ovules are there. Okay, this is ovary, you all are seeing. This is ovary. Inside this small ovules are there. Okay, and this part is known as style. This part is known as style, and upside you are seeing this part is known as what? Stigma. And this part you are seeing, it is known as anthem. Anthem is here. Okay, clear? Now what you have learned? This is sepal. What does sepal do? It protects the buds of the flower, and it is green in color. I have shown you it is a green in color, green leafy structure. This one, okay? Green leafy structure. Next one you have learned about petal. It is a colorful. These all are petal. Red color you are seeing. It is a colorful, and it also smell very good. And next one you have learned about the stamen. It is a male part of the flower. It is a male part of the flower. It consists of long filament. And solar head, that is known as anther. Next one you have learned about the carpel or pistil. It is a female part of the flower. It consists of pipe-like structure, that is known as style, and upside it is a sticky like structure, that is known as stigma, and this part is known as ovary. When you will open this ovary, small you will see small yellow color, small things are there, that is known as ovule. Clear to you all? So this is the part of the flower. And when you will say that flower, this is complete flower, but flower is having these all four things, then you can say that this is a complete flower. What are the four things? Sepal, petal, stamen, carpel or pistil. Understood? Clear to you all, student? So this picture you can draw in your copy. Okay? What are here? Here this part, stepal, anthem. This is petal. Okay? Ovary, ovule. Inside ovule, out one ovary. This is style, and this is stigma, and these all are filament. Clear, student? This is the structure of flower. What you have learned? Structure of